people of Earth, in light of the three truths, do ordain and engender World 5.0. These truths are first, we live in eternal awareness, sharing different forms, together immersed in this moment. There is no other reality. Second, here, of prime concern is our intent, fear or love. And third, only love makes us happy. We ascribe to the principles of integrity, justice, and balance in our transactions and relationships as the only way to ensure transparency and fairness. We promote localism as the best method for improving our health and ecology, and we connect human rights and environmental health, knowing that failure to protect one inevitably leads to failures of the other. We utterly denounce war and violence. There is no greater scourge on our planet today than hostility, furthered by nation-states and the military-industrial media complex. There is no viable excuse to kill or to invoke suffering on another. It's literally insane. We withdraw our support from any institutions that continue to condone war and violence. We encourage pluralism and autonomy, where each of us is valued and respected. The meager distinctions of gender, color, class, looks, religion, sexual preference, or wealth are of no consequence in light of our true nature. We allow no ideology or morality to come between us, as we are far better served by ethics. We support and revel in our families, friends, and communities, as these are the lifeblood to happiness. We require a transparent, global financial accounting system for any and all currencies based on a universal, interweb-based standard, bringing light to fraudulent trading schemes. This model decentralizes power and fosters honest trade, allowing for far greater freedom in how we design and live our lives. We engage in the exchange of goodwill, of ideas, and of goods and services. We create, design, and build our systems and infrastructure based on sustainability, ecology, and a resource-based economy. Clean air and water, access to food, healthcare, energy, and information are all inalienable human rights. Already we embark on the redesign of our culture, just as already we embark on finding our true selves. The signs of healing and remaking are everywhere, and the unholy din of the old culture draws thin. Within World 5, we leverage our connection to all and each other to remake our world. Of prime concern is restoring ecology to our Earth. Sustainable, organic food production is required, as is renewable energy production. Ancient forests must be preserved. Cradle to cradle is the only viable model for the production of goods, and localism provides the key to minimizing our consumption while maximizing our health. Here in the United States, we look to the Declaration of Independence and Article 5 to instigate a new constitutional assembly. The three-headed monster of corporatism, militarism, and elitism has no place within World 5. Using the interweb, we can revise the Constitution to simplify law, restore justice, and actually honor life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Further, we intend a Constitution of the Earth in the effort to mitigate climate change and restore stability and health to our planet. Research, advisory, and governing councils working together can provide the wisdom and will for this effort. The Earth is a living, breathing body and our only home. Finally, we now initiate the Federation for Peace. This federation belongs to those of us who take the oath of peace. We renounce the ideologies of hate and terror and align ourselves with the peace of eternal awareness to create peace on Earth. As the interweb is the mind of World 5, the Federation for Peace is our heart. This we declare. We love. We live in peace. We move from here. Welcome to World 5.0.